morning and Assalamu alaikum. Today I'll teach you a very interesting topic. But before starting, I'll request that kindly subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's get started. Today I'll teach you periodic table. What is periodic table? The periodic table is a chart of elements. The elements are arranged in rows and columns according to their properties. Look at this. This is basically periodic table. This is the chart, and here the elements are arranged in rows and columns. Can you guess that the elements in the same column and row of the periodic table have what in common? Let me tell you. Basically, elements in the same column have the same number of electrons in the outer shell, and the same elements in the same row of the periodic table have the same number of atomic orbitals. Again, repeating. Elements in the same column have the same number of electrons in the outer shell, and elements in the same row of the periodic table have the same number of atomic orbitals. And the periodic table tells us the about the atomic number, element's name, elemental symbol, and atomic weight for all the elements. Like the atomic number is mentioned at the top, and for example, the atomic number for carbon is 6, the atomic number of hydrogen is 1, the atomic number for of fluorine is 9. Okay, and the elemental symbol is mentioned in a bigger font, and it's, for example, for carbon it's C, for fluorine it's F, for oxygen it's O, for nitrogen it's N, for boron it's B, for neon it's Ne. And under the elemental symbol, the element's name is mentioned, and under that, the atomic weight is also mentioned. Like for carbon, the atomic weight is 12.01. Now, there is a very interesting game for you. It will actually help you to learn the symbols for all the elements. It takes a bit time to load, so wait patiently. Okay, so it's finally loaded. Let's play this game. So basically, the elements name will be mentioned, and we need to click on the symbol. Okay, like it's written, click on boron. Boron is an element. Now we need to click on the symbol. Okay, so the symbol for boron is B, so I'll touch B, and we are right. Now they're saying click on phosphorus. So the symbol for phosphorus is P. So I'll click on P. Now they're saying to click on sulfur. So I'll click on sulfur, and the symbol for sulfur is S. And now they're saying to click on fluorine. So I'll click on fluorine, that, and the symbol for fluorine is F. Now click on carbon. The symbol for carbon is C. Be careful that you touch on the right symbol. Now click on hydrogen. So the symbol for hydrogen is H. Now the symbol for chlorine is Cl. Now aluminum. The symbol for aluminum is Al. Click on nitrogen. The symbol for nitrogen is N. Click on neon. The symbol for neon is NE. So wow, we got 10 out of 10. I'll share the link for this game in the chat box. Do play it at your own side. It's a very good game. It will help you to learn the symbol and it's very interesting and short. You can play this game at your own side and even share the score and give the feedback. So let's get back to the studies, and I think that it was a fantastic game, and that's why I shared with you all. Hope you also liked it. Now let's move on. Who invented periodic table? In 1869, Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev started the development of the periodic table, arranging chemical elements by atomic mass. He predicted the discovery of other elements and left spaces open in his periodic table for them. So basically, in this paragraph, they're telling us that there was a Russian chemist, and his name was Dmitry Mendeleev, and he developed the periodic table. He was the one who to develop the periodic table, and he developed the periodic table in 1869, and he actually arranged the elements according to their atomic mass. Okay, now importance of periodic table. It is organized to provide a great deal of information about elements, used to predict the properties of elements, compare the elements. So basically, the periodic table provides us a lot of information, and it also helps us to predict the properties of the elements which we don't even know. Like as I told you that the periodic table tells us the atomic number, atomic weight, the symbol, and elements name for each of the elements. So that is a great information it's providing us, and obviously it helps us to compare the elements. Like we can easily compare helium and hydrogen. We can say that the symbol for helium is He, and the symbol for hydrogen is H, and the atomic number for for hydrogen is 1, for helium it's 2. So you see, we're comparing two things and we can easily compare elements. Okay, so you see, periodic table is very helpful. Now it's a exit ticket. There are 3 questions, all right, and I'll request you all to kindly give the answers for these questions in the chat section. I mean, in the comment box. Okay, these are the exit ticket questions. Okay, what is the horizontal row on the periodic table called? What is a vertical column called? Elements in the same column of the periodic table have what in common? I have already discussed the answers for these questions. Means I have explained these things, and I hope uh, you won't find any difficulty to answer it, and I'll request you all to kindly give the answers in the comment section. You can even give the reviews for this lesson. Thank you so much, everyone. Hope to see you again with another lesson and with another video. Till that time, Allah Hafiz.